my YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate your support, and we are in my kitchen today. We are gonna be making jam. That's right, 10 minutes, okay? Easy peasy, because I hate difficult recipes. No sugar, no pectin. So let's do this, cook up a storm. So that's right, we're talking all health today, and I want to give a shout out, as I usually do, to my friend Franca, friendly Franca, who actually gave me this recipe probably, oh my goodness, over a year ago, and I make it regularly in our house. Can you smell that? Oh, I wish I had smell-o-vision. So I just finished making blueberry jam, and I'm going to show you how to make it, but I'm all cleaned up and wrapped up, and I'm going to go through all the directions with you. But if you could smell the house, oh my goodness, it smells so delicious. So let's get on with it. And it comes at a perfect time, actually. I'm doing a sugar detox, a 21-day sugar detox with my workout team. And it's my first one. And I don't eat a lot of sugar, so it's going to be kind of easy. I'm hoping. I'm on day 3. But the sugar in the jam is, oh my God. Have you seen how much sugar goes into DIY jam recipe? Have you seen it?
The fruits inside the pot. Now let's weigh the sugar. Our fruits weigh 2 kilos, so we're going to add the same amount of sugar to the jam. Now we're going to sprinkle the sugar on top of the fruits. Wow, looks like a lot of sugar, huh?
Oh my God, that's so much sugar. So much sugar. So what we're gonna use instead of sugar is honey. Okay, you're gonna use raw organic honey. Yes, it's still a bit of a sweetener, but it's nothing like sugar. So you only need like 2 tablespoons, whereas sugar, they need like a cup and more. So most jam recipes call for pectin. If you don't know what pectin is a thickening agent. And that goes in your jam to make it kind of thick so it doesn't be runny and whatnot. We are going to use a substitute for pectin. My secret ingredient is chia seed. Yes, chia seed. You all know when we make chia seed pudding or something like that, it thickens up. It's going to thicken up your jam. Pretty smart, eh? And you cannot taste the chia seed in there. It's delicious. So I'm just wondering, I don't eat bread. Very rarely do I eat bread, so I don't know what I'm going to put the jam on, but I don't care. I'll find something to put it on. Okay, what you want to do is you want to start off with your blueberries, of course. So we're going to just make a little bit of jam. So you're going to start with 1.5 cup washed blueberries. Now you can use frozen or you can use fresh. So I'm using fresh. Either will work. And what you want to do is you want to put your saucepan on medium. Okay, you want to put it on medium. Okay, put it on medium, and you want to basically cook down until it is broken down, the blueberries. Okay, so these are quite large blueberries. Look at them, they're so delicious. Sorry, I'm going to sneak one because I love blueberries. So you take that and you're going to just let it break down. It'll break down very quick. It'll take about 5 minutes or so. And as you can see, it's already been not even a minute, and it's already starting to break down. Very quick. Very quick. And it's been about 4 minutes or so, and if you see, they're starting to break down, yes, but we're going to mash them up anyway, so as long as they get nice and soft And yeah, so it's just about done. This is all that I have. So take them and mash them a bit, and they're already gone. See how nice. So mash them up like so. Depends on how chunky you like it as well. I do really like it chunky jam. So break out all the big pieces here, and there you go. See? There you go. The gas is still on. So I think it's pretty good now. Okay. So I'll show you the consistency now. See? Very nice. Beautiful color. And there, it's done. Then what you do is turn off the stove. Then what you want to do is use honey. I have a big tub of honey that we got from Cuba. This is raw organic honey. And what you want to do is you want to put 2 tablespoons of honey. So then you want your chia seeds. I just put it in my container. So you want 1 spoon, and then you want 2 spoons. Okay. And just mix it in. Okay. And then you mix it again. Stir gently. Make sure you remove them all from the sides. It smells so good. And there you go. And then what you want to do is you want to let it sit in for at least 5 minutes, and it's going to get thickened up in 5 minutes. I'll meet you back in 5 minutes. And basically what you want to do is let it cool down, and then we're going to put it in our glass container. And as you can see, it's cooled down, and I would say probably an hour it's cooled down already. Look at the color. So I'm going to open it for you and show you. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. And you're done and ready to eat. Hello. I am just enjoying my new fresh blueberry jam that I made at home. No sugar, no Pectin. It's amazing. It looks so amazing. So this is the end product. It's so amazing. I hope you try it, and cheers to you. So wasn't that easy peasy? Oh my goodness. It's like even hard to explain because it's just so simple. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you'll give the jam a try. You can try other things like strawberries, peaches, whatever you want, of course. Blueberry is my personal favorite, and I just love it. It looks so rich, right? So hope you try it, and hope you stay healthy. So you let me know if you've given it a try. So hope you like this video, and you give it a thumbs up, and please share away if you got anything useful out of this video, as well as hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. So we'll see you back next time. We'll talk health, wellness, and beauty, and see you next time.